Hey everyone, as promised, here is the other new Hoover to grace the collection. Another runabout. Not going to obviously say everything that I said about it in the last video, but just probably three things to point out. I don't know if maybe the letters wore off the bag, or I don't really know. That's my only assumption, the letters wore off or something, or they tried to wash it or whatever. But obviously Hoover has never had a letterless bag. It at least says Hoover on it, I would assume. In fact, I'm pretty sure there's never not even been a Hoover that just says Hoover on it, or an Elite that just says Hoover on it. But anyway, so that's thing number one. Thing number two, bristles on the brush roll are pretty much toast. But as a Hoover, it could probably run off suction and still do just as good a job on thin carpet like I have. And it seems rather loud for an Elite, even though Elites are on the somewhat loud side to normal hearing people. Regardless, of course, love the color. It is my favorite color, obviously due to the other runabout I have. And of course, the Hoover always looks better with a headlight. And as always, I always put in the brightest light bulbs so the Hoover can shine as it should. So that all said, we will give it a run. I have not looked into the fan, but it certainly